what's up? So actually today I'm coming at you, it's kind of like vlog style, but it's not really a vlog because I'd be starting really late in my day. But I am going to do like a little follow along oatmeal cinnamon apple muffins. I think that's what it is. I love these muffins and I thought I really want to bring more recipes, kind of like bringing a little bit of my blog over to the YouTube channel. That way we could just, I don't know, balance it out. And I thought it would be fun to do some sort of recipe on YouTube. I love watching recipe videos. I don't know about anybody else, so if you like this, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment below what else you'd like to see. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do today, and let's go ahead and get in the kitchen and make some really yummy muffins. So I put the oven on 375 degrees and I've got all my ingredients laid out before me. And the first thing we're gonna need is 2 cups of flour. Next thing we're gonna need is 1 cup of oats. I'm just using the Kroger 1 minute oats. Next I'm gonna measure out 1/2 cup of sugar just to add in there. I love these muffins. They're so yummy. Like, they're really easy to make, and I feel like they're really easy just to pre-make ahead of time and then to have for breakfast in the morning. So that's always a plus. That way you don't have to be making something, thinking about what you want for breakfast in the morning. You already have this, so we're gonna go ahead and dump the sugar in. Okay, so next you need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So I am just gonna do the little, it's like a little baby scoop of baking soda. There's Charity. We need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and I'm just gonna use the 1/4 of a teaspoon scoop. I've been told I dirty up a lot of things whenever I am in the kitchen. But I'll be 8 since I'm using the 1/4 teaspoon. So it's gonna look like a lot of cinnamon that I'm adding in here, but it's really just 2 teaspoons. I'm just trying to use the measurements very sparingly. So now I'm just gonna take a whisk and kind of just mix up all these dry ingredients. It smells so yummy. It smells like breakfast. Like, it's just a really good muffin. It smells like just good muffins. This is great. I'm excited now. Like, I'll have something for breakfast in the morning. So easy to drink with a cup of coffee. Yes, that sounds amazing. So next we're gonna add in 1 egg, 1 stick of butter melted, and then 1 cup of milk, and we're just gonna mix it all together. I don't know how many apples I'm gonna add, 1 or 2, I'll let you guys know. And then I'm gonna take some cinnamon sugar, just a cinnamon sugar mix, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it over until I think it looks like a good amount. And then we're gonna dump that into the muffins. So I'm gonna stop at 1 apple, and I'm just gonna put some of this cinnamon sugar in it. I tried to get most of the peeling off that I could. I'm gonna stir it with a knife because I'm not professional. But I tried to get most of the peeling off. I'm just gonna throw this much in there, 1 apple. That should be enough. If you wanna add a second apple, go for it. And also if you wanna add bananas, I was just thinking that banana muffins would also be really good, but we're just gonna put these in there and call it good. So I'm gonna take a fork and just stir it around because the apples were getting stuck in my whisk. So I'm just gonna take a fork and try to make for sure that all the apples are in there real even. I think blueberries would also be really good in this. Really, any kind of fruit would be good in these, like bananas, apples, strawberry. You could obviously change it and make it your own. So I'm gonna take some spray, just some spray to make sure that the muffins don't stick. But what you wanna do, my cooking teacher taught me this in my class, is you just wanna spray the bottom. So that way the bottom doesn't stick, but if you spray it around the muffin, like on the sides, it doesn't give the muffin a chance to rise and get bigger. So you just want to make for sure that you get the bottom enough to where the bottom comes up. Oh. So I'm spraying that much. And I'm just going to take a paper towel and go ahead and rub the inside. And I'm just going to skip the batter. Okay, so it did make about a dozen muffins, and we filled them about 3/4 of the way full, and they look super yummy. Now we're going to stick them in the oven for about 15 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. So the muffins are finished. They took about 15 minutes. I'm swinging this butter knife around. That's probably not really safe. But anyways, they are finished. I'm going to put them in a tub over here to cool, and then they'll be done. Wonderful. Yay! I am back in my room now with these yummy looking muffins. They literally smell so good. Here's the yummy looking muffins. There's an apple. Look at them, they look so good. They smell so yummy. If you try out this recipe, please let me know. These are so good, so easy to make, and ready to have ahead of time. Just to grab and go. And like I said, you could obviously try all different kinds of yummy fruits to just stick inside of the muffins and bake them as well. I think blueberry would be really good in these. The recipe is going to be linked below. I did not add in the recipe, because this is an older recipe on my blog. I did not add on the recipe the apples. So just do kind of what I did if you're going to use apples, is just dice them up, kind of peel them, and then roll them in some cinnamon sugar and just throw them in there. So good. They're just not in the blog post. So if you try these, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Give this video a big thumbs up because I baked something and it wasn't a fail. Praise the Lord. I will talk to you guys later, and I'll see you in a new video very soon. Bye.